money.
I know I'm making this look incredibly effortless and, dare I say, chic, but hauling this 7-gallon bucket of water that often smells like a fart on a hot day no longer brings me joy. So I want to make a gray water filter. For materials, we are going to use this single shut-off valve I found in the sprinkler section. A plumbing nut. 2 gaskets. The basic concept of this is to take 2 totes and put one inside of it, drill some holes, put some things in there to filter the water, and then have a spigot so it drains out. I'm giving myself 2 hours to do this because I have a million other projects going on and I feel guilty about it, but it's kind of like an investment in my time and happiness, right? Oh, by the way, if you hear ticking, I've literally set my timer, so that's what's going on. So I have this Rubbermaid tote I've had forever. I'm going with this one because I think it's ugly. I don't like the color. And I think it is actually a little bit more like durable than the other ones I have on hand, so you're welcome, Rubbermaid. I think I'm gonna try and put my little spigot right here. There's kind of like a flat spot. Yeehaw through this. Sure ain't. I grabbed all sorts of drill bits because I didn't know what size the spigot was. This graduated drill bit though is perfect if you're like an eyeballer like me. I'm gonna spare you the pain of watching me drill and check constantly for about 5 minutes straight. Okay, I'm gonna turn off my camera. You don't need to watch me. Okay, I'm gonna put my little gaskets right here, like the nice hardware man said too. There was this plastic overhang from drilling, which I just trimmed with scissors. Okay, I'm gonna put some water and see if it drips out. Wow. Next, we're just gonna drill a whole bunch of holes in the top tote so the water can drip down into the bottom where our spigot is. Otherwise, there's not much to say about this part. Originally, I wanted to turn this old PVC pipe, nope, that's not, poly pipe into a hose, but it's too obnoxious. It turned into a little bit of a DIY, so I just sprung for a real hose. It's painted black, and I am ready to assemble. I just used an old tea towel to keep like big chunks from falling through the bottom. Then I used this pine bedding that I use in my compost toilet, and my camera died, so you'll have to use your imagination for the straw in compost. It looks really dirty in this shot because it rained overnight, which, by the way, I got it done within 2 hours, and that includes filming, but it does not include going to the hardware store 5 times the day before. I paid a little bit extra for this floppy hose for reasons I still don't understand. I'm so happy about this outcome. It is rare something turns out exactly how I imagined it. Since I already used my gray water on my finishing compost pile, I thought I would reroute this hose to an area where I'm trying to restore the soil a little bit. I spread some rye over this area just to try and break up the soil and add some organic material. It's been a pretty robust little plant and has even grown through gypsum. Otherwise, thanks for hanging out. This is my first video ever. Yell at me in the comments if you hate it. Or if you didn't, perhaps like and subscribe. Okay, bye.